Hey everybody, it's the Ileana Farmer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be unlike any other video I've posted so far to this point. My dad and I, we went to the Half Century of Progress show in Rantoul, Illinois about a week or two ago, and I'm just now getting around to editing the video for that. So this video is just going to be short little clips of everything I saw. I ran my video camera all day. There's going to be really no talking or anything. It's just going to be cool tractors, combines, corn pickers, anything you can imagine. And the way I kind of understand it is, being Half Century of Progress, anything there has to be like 50 years old to be there, or at least do the field demonstrations. So it's not like the Farm Progress show where there's, self-automated this and monitors that cost, $10,000. There's none of that. So this is just old equipment. It's a really cool show. It's growing. They set a record attendance when we were there on I think we went on a Friday. And you're going to get to see. Do not go and walk this thing unless you're just like an absolute monster athlete or avid hiker or something like that. There's 400 acres of row crop that they run in the demonstration fields, plowing, corn picking, bean cutting, all kinds of stuff. So when you hit the facility, it's a retired Air Force base out of Rantoul, Illinois, and that's where we were. But just a heads up, we were on a Ranger. We didn't walk this thing at all. We drove around, and that's pretty much the easiest way to get everywhere and see what you want to see in a day's time. And we did not cover everything. There was a couple places we didn't even get to see. And so yeah, let's just jump into the video. This is really going to be the only part I talk in it, so I hope you guys enjoy this. It's just going to be a bunch of clips of things that I saw throughout the day that I thought would be cool that you guys might want to see. And I want to recommend that you guys go and check this place out. One of the coolest things my dad and I have kind of gone and done together in a really long time. Just stuff I've never seen, stuff that he was talking about his dad used to have on the farm where he grew up in Iowa, things, just stuff that you could really go back and talk about. And if you're not a farmer, it's really cool to go see, because the stuff you're seeing today is nothing like what, we had. And it wasn't like it was that long ago. Just, the last 10, 20 years, things have really gotten big. So the machines are cool. Watch the video. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the footage I got throughout the day. I had tons of videos. I just kind of tried to pick some videos, you know, of corn pickers and from the parade and from the bean field and from the plow field and different things running, and just kind of scattered them all throughout the video. That way it would kind of keep things interesting, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, please. As always, that will make my videos go out to a bigger audience and should get me more subscribers, likes. So if you want to support me in any way, smash the thumbs up button. I mean, come on, do it. And then comment below if you guys want to see anything, talk about anything. I'm not Machinery Pete. I don't know every model of tractor and this and that, but I'll try to answer your questions the best I can on some of this machinery in here. And subscribe, guys. It's free to do. You stay updated on everything that I'm doing, what I got going on. I'm trying to get videos at least one a week. I started out with 2 or 3, but I don't want to just bore you guys with things, and we've been hauling corn and things like that, and we finished up with it now, so hopefully I'm getting back into the rhythm now that I have more interesting things to shoot for you guys. So, as always, we're signing off. The Ileana Farmer here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.